Welcome back. Today I'm throwing everything I've ever learned about intros and retention into the garbage pile. And I'm going to just take you on a regular trip with me from here to Ohio, where I'm going to be going on my first college visit, which is honestly kind of scary, but I guess let's go to the airport for my first flight from here to Chicago. Well, I got to the airport and then I got on my plane where I had an absolutely diabolical conversation with a scammer named Jasmine. I scammed her back. You can pause to read what I wrote to her. It was very smart in my opinion. But then I got bored, so I blocked her and then we took off. Okay, I'm in Chicago and I'll make this quick because I'm actually currently dying of hunger. But I'm gonna fly from here to Dayton where I'll meet my mom and then we'll stay in an Airbnb and then tomorrow we'll go on the college visit, which I'm not really looking forward to. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm actually gonna eat now. To be honest, guys, I slept most of this flight because I was very, very tired, but then I got off the plane. I'm off, and now I get to go meet my mom. It just occurred to me that sounds like I'm about to meet my mom for the first time ever, but don't worry, I can assure you I've met her before. We were just meeting up. After her being gone for a couple of days, it's not anything different than that. Our rental car is a Buick and is nicer than anything we've ever owned. And here comes my mom. And we're gonna go to our Airbnb. Well, we went to Cedarville and saw Sam and some friends, and now we're back. I have a pizza Lunchable, which is the only correct Lunchable, and the right way to eat it is cold, which is how I'm eating it. Then we're gonna sleep in our Airbnb, which I'll give you a tour around tomorrow, and then wake up way too early my time for the college visit tomorrow. Good morning. We woke up extremely early my time, like 4:15 a.m. And now we're going to the college, Cedarville University, for a visit. I'm not really looking forward to it. Well, I'm more nervous than looking forward to it. But Sam will hang out with us most of the day, which will be exciting, and then I don't know what we'll be doing tonight, but it'll be so much fun, which is why you should stay watching this video. Okay, let's go to the university.
2 hours later.
Anything. Yeah.
I just realized I haven't taken any videos yet because I forgot. I'm going to take more videos later, maybe if I remember. But now Sam is here and we're going to Beans and Cream, which is a local coffee shop, and we're going to get some coffee there and recover from my excruciating day so far.
Sounds good.
Oh, great. We've had a good time. We played a lot of games yesterday.
No, that's crazy.
Usually I ask and people are like, I don't know.
I have no idea. Let me look in a sec.
Hey.
Okay, obviously I forgot to video most of the tour of Cedarville, but now we're back at the Airbnb and we're going to now go to Costco and then to Thai food for dinner. And that just sounds like a very nice way to end the day. But the tour is actually a lot better than I thought, but I probably already said that on my voiceover. You're such a...
How? Yeah. Oh, I'm sure now he's gonna be very careful.
Can we please have one dry section? As soon as we left the aid station, it started raining. Walking straight to the rainbow.
And after a very relaxing evening, it's now about 11 p.m. and I am going to give you a tour. Excuse me, I have the I don't have the Airbnbs. I have the hiccups. But I'm going to give you a tour of the Airbnb. First, we have the living room with a TV and a couch and another another couch. And then the door is right here. And then that's a spiral staircase. I'll take you up in a second. It's very rickety and seems to have been 3D printed. Right here is the dining room. Then we have the kitchen. Oh, very nice. And then in here is the bathroom. The toilet is okay at flushing. And then the shower has 3 temperatures. Cool, just right, and then scalding hot. And it's a very delicate balance between the 3. And there's the master bedroom. Let's see what's happening in there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Very nice. And then back in the main room is the spiral staircase, which I'll now take you up. But up here is where I've been sleeping. There's 2 beds. Kind of a messy little boy. That's my bed where I've been sleeping, and then I have a window, which looks out on the very busy and very loud road. But it's, oh my days. But it's a very nice Airbnb, and we've really enjoyed our stay here. So now we're going to go to bed, and I'm going to get some sleep. And then tomorrow we're going to go back to Cedarville one last time before we head home. Good morning. It is our last morning here, and we're extremely rushed because time just goes by really fast. We were supposed to leave 5 minutes ago, but you know, that's okay. We're going to chapel one last time at Cedarville, where we'll meet up at Sam, and then we'll fly home tonight. I don't think I'll video the flying home part though, but let's go to Cedarville, and if I know myself, I probably will forget to video everything.
Controlling the emotions, which is why we read in James chapter 1 that
And now it is about 10:30. I've made it home. I got to fly at E145 for the first time on this flight, so I'll link that video in the description below. If you're still watching, thank you. That's kind of crazy. This is a very different video from what I usually do. So if you want to watch one of what my regular videos look like, you can click here, or it might be here. I'm not really sure where it's going to be. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.